In the grand scheme of things, we observe a magnificent dance, an infinite cycle that binds life, the universe, and everything in between. This dance is as intricate as it is vast, as intimate as it is cosmic. Each step, each twirl, each leap is part of a greater choreography, a rhythm that echoes the very heartbeat of existence. Consider, for instance, the cycle of life, a sequence of birth, growth, decay, and death, only to be reborn anew, a phoenix rising from its own ashes. This pattern is not confined to our terrestrial sphere alone. It mirrors the celestial dance above, where stars are born from cosmic dust, live out their brilliant lives, and eventually die, often in a spectacular supernova, only to sow the seeds for new stars, new galaxies. So what is this grand dance, this infinite cycle? It is the story of us, of everything. Our story begins with a single spark, a cataclysmic event that gave birth to our home, the Earth. Over 4.5 billion years ago, the Earth was born from the cosmic dust and gas, a result of the infinite process. A swirling disk of material left over from the birth of our sun began to coalesce in the void of space. These particles, tiny at first, began to stick together. Over tens of millions of years, these particles grew into planetesimals, and eventually, our beloved Earth was formed. In its early days, the Earth was a molten mass, constantly bombarded by other celestial bodies. As the cosmic ballet continued, our planet was struck by a body almost the size of Mars. This cataclysmic event resulted in a large amount of material being ejected into space, which eventually formed our moon. This young Earth was a violent and inhospitable place. Its surface was covered with volcanic activity, and the atmosphere was filled with noxious gases. Yet, it was in this harsh environment that the stage was set for the next act in the cosmic drama. Gradually, our planet began to cool. The volcanic activity subsided, and a thin crust formed over the molten surface. The outgassing from the volcanoes filled the atmosphere with water vapor, which eventually condensed and fell as rain. Over millions of years, these rains filled the depressions on the planet's surface, creating the first oceans. These early oceans played a critical role in the creation of life. They provided a sanctuary where the first simple life forms could emerge. But that's a tale for another time. From a cosmic dust cloud to a molten mass, from a violent and fiery ball to a planet with the first signs of water, the birth of Earth was a remarkable part of the infinite process. It was the beginning of a journey that would lead to a planet teeming with life and diversity. And so, as the Earth took shape and the first oceans formed, the stage was set for the next chapter of our cosmic story. Life, as we know it, was about to make its grand entrance. From the primordial soup, life emerged, simple yet resilient, ready to embark on a journey of evolution. The stage was set, the actors in place. The first sparks of life were mere single-celled organisms, but don't underestimate these humble beginnings. Even the simplest of life forms were complex miracles of nature, carrying the potential to evolve into the myriad life forms we see today. Imagine, if you will, a world populated by these microscopic beings. Their existence may seem insignificant compared to the grandeur of the universe, yet they were the pioneers of life as we know it. They thrived in the harshest of conditions, resilient and adaptable, laying the groundwork for the dawn of complex life. Over time, these single-celled organisms began to band together, forming colonies, then multicellular organisms. Each new form was an experiment by nature, a testament to the infinite possibilities of life. Some of these experiments were successful, resulting in new species, while others faded into the annals of evolutionary history. Yet each contributed to the rich tapestry of life on Earth. Then came the advent of diversity. Life forms began to diverge, adapting to their environments and filling every possible niche. From the deepest ocean trenches to the highest mountain peaks, life found a way to thrive. The Earth was transformed into a vibrant mosaic of life, each piece a unique expression of nature's creativity. Life's journey was not always smooth. There were periods of mass extinction, wiping out vast numbers of species. Yet each time, life bounced back, diversified, and thrived once more. These cycles of death and rebirth are part of the natural order, a testament to the tenacity and resilience of life. In the grand scheme of things, we humans are but a recent addition to this diverse tableau. Yet, our capacity for understanding and exploration has allowed us to unravel many of the mysteries of life and the universe. We've come to realize that we're part of a bigger picture, a cosmic dance of creation and destruction, birth and death, evolution and extinction. As life evolved, so did our understanding of the universe and our place in it. We stand on the shoulders of billions of years of life's evolution, looking forward to the future, ready to face the challenges and embrace the opportunities that come with being part of this infinite process. In the grand tapestry of life, a new thread emerged: humans, capable of understanding the infinite process. As we journey back in time, we find our humble beginnings in the heart of Africa, where the first hominids took their tentative steps towards becoming the architects of the world we know today. Over millions of years, these early humans evolved, their bodies adapting to the changing environments, their brains expanding in complexity. They learned to harness fire, to chip stone into tools, to communicate with each other. In their struggle for survival, they discovered the power of cooperation and community, giving rise to the first societies. As time marched on, these societies grew more complex. They developed cultures, systems of beliefs and values that guided their actions and shaped their understanding of the world. They painted on cave walls, they danced around fires, they told stories of their ancestors and dreamed of what lay beyond the horizon. They migrated across continents, braving harsh climates and dangerous predators. They settled in new lands, adapting once again, this time to the challenges of agriculture. With the ability to grow their own food, their numbers swelled, and they built the first cities, the cradle of civilizations. These civilizations rose and fell, each contributing its own thread to the tapestry of human history. They built pyramids and temples, they wrote epics and treatises, they waged wars and brokered peace. They questioned the nature of the universe, seeking answers in the stars, in the atom, in the infinite process. And so we arrive at the present, the year 2024. We stand on the shoulders of countless generations, each one a link in the unbroken chain of human evolution. We are more interconnected than ever before, our societies more diverse, our cultures more vibrant. We have achieved much, and yet we remain a part of the infinite process, our story forever intertwined with the story of life on Earth. Our journey has led us to the present year 2024, a testament to the resilience of life and the infinite process. In the year 2024, we stand at the precipice of a new era, ready to embrace the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. We're in the midst of a world that's ever evolving, ever spinning on the wheel of the infinite process. The year 2024 is a testament to human resilience and innovation. Technological advancements have soared beyond our wildest dreams, shaping our lives in ways we could barely imagine. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a concept from sci-fi movies. It's real, it's here, and it's revolutionizing industries, from healthcare to education, even agriculture. But with great power comes great responsibility. In this year, we're grappling with global challenges that test our resolve. Climate change, inequality, and political unrest are realities we navigate daily. Yet we're not backing down. We're harnessing the power of technology to combat these challenges, creating sustainable solutions and fostering global unity. We're also exploring the final frontier, space. With recent advancements, Mars isn't just a red dot in the night sky anymore. It's a potential new home, a testament to our insatiable curiosity and our quest for knowledge. Life in 2024 isn't just about survival. It's about thriving, evolving, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. It's about understanding that we are part of a larger narrative, a grand tapestry woven with threads of time and space. The infinite process continues to drive us forward, just as it has driven all life before us. From the birth of the earth, through the dawn of life, to the rise of humanity, and now, to this moment, we are all part of this endless cycle. The old gives way to the new, and the new, in time, becomes the old. It's a dance of creation and recreation, a testament to the enduring rhythm of existence. As we look to the future, we're reminded of the infinite process that brought us here. We are not just observers in this grand cosmic play, but active participants, shaping our destiny with every choice we make. And so the cycle continues, spinning us into tomorrow, into the unknown, into the infinite. The infinite process continues, an eternal dance of creation and destruction, of birth and death, of beginnings and endings. From the birth of the earth to the dawn of life, from the rise of humanity to this very moment in 2024, the infinite process has been the unbroken thread weaving the tapestry of existence. Life in its infinite forms has always been part of this grand narrative. Each new birth, each rise and fall of civilizations, every single moment of joy and sorrow is a testament to this ceaseless cycle. The infinite process is not merely a concept, but the very truth of our reality. As we stand on the threshold of tomorrow, we are reminded that nothing is truly lost, but merely transformed. Change is the only constant, and the cycle continues, uninterrupted. In the grand cycle of life and the universe, we are but fleeting moments, a part of the infinite process, the never-ending story of existence.